This will be a short video on what you may or may not know about your BMW X3, X5, X7. So in this video, I'm going to go over the light controls. So on the left-hand side where your headlights are, basically this left switch is for your fog lights. That turns your fog lights on and off. If you turn the knob all the way left, lights are off. Up here are called parking lights. And you'll notice it says parking lights on. If you have your key on, your heads up display comes on. Now what the parking lights do, or if you're broke down on the side of the road, or if you need to stop on the side of the road for some reason, it turns on the lights. So basically someone can see you if it's dark outside and they don't hit you by accident. The next one up is the auto switch. So basically that will turn the headlights on automatically. If it's dark out, it turns the lights on. If it's bright out, it turns the lights off, and it auto dims the headlights. What it doesn't do in like the state of South Carolina, if it's raining, you have to have your headlights on at all times. Sometimes it's not dark enough outside for it to not turn your headlights on. So depending on your state, depending on how you drive, you may still want to turn it to on once you actually get in a rainstorm if it doesn't turn on automatically. And again, you'll see an indicator up here that shows that your headlights are on. Same with the parking lights. Again, you'll see the lights are on and it says parking lights are on. The headlight symbol is on again because your headlights are on with your tail lights. The next switch over is a roller, and basically that just dims your dash display. So if you want it brighter, you turn it up. You want it darker, you turn it down. So brighter up, darker down. Again, on the right hand side, it says P left, P right, or basically it's pointing a light to the left and right. This is similar to the parking lights. And again, I don't know why they separate these two. Basically, if you're stuck on the left side of the road or the right side of the road, if you hit that, it turns on the roadside parking light again. What it does, it only turns on one of the taillights though. So if you're broken down on the right hand side of the road, I would assume you turn the left one on to keep you from getting hit from oncoming traffic or traffic coming from behind you on that side. Same on the other. If you're hitting the other side, you switch to roadside right side. And basically it just turns on the tail light and the headlight on the right hand side of the vehicle. I'm guessing that's for more of a longer extended period, like if you actually broke down. You can actually turn on part of your lights. It won't run your battery down as fast that way if you turn on all the lights. When you open your car door, the dome light comes on. Before I do that, if the dome light times out like it has now, left light of course turns on the left side, right side turns on the right side, middle turns on the bright lights, so you can see everything both sides. Once you dim that, if I shut the door, reopen the door, again the dome lights come on, but you'll notice they're not as bright. If you need it brighter, you push the light button, if I can find it, with the light in my eyeballs, and it makes them brighter.